Torque release technique addresses neck pain or whiplash type symptoms by first adjusting the neck. Torque release stimulates the nerves with an instrument that requires no twisting, cracking, or popping. The adjustment is gentle but specific and designed to stimulate the nerves to calm down and reduce inflammation. Once the nerves are calmed down and return to normal function, pain and inflammation decrease substantially and oftentimes resolve completely.